The way we watch TV has changed dramatically over the past few years. A television is no longer just a screen for watching shows. It's the heart of home entertainment, a centerpiece for family time, and even a reliable solution for commercial spaces like hotels. The ultra-thin explosion-proof smart TV offers a complete package that combines cutting-edge technology, safety, and modern design to deliver a viewing experience that goes far beyond expectations. The first thing that stands out is the design. Ultra-thin, sleek, and elegant. This TV is built to seamlessly blend into any room. The flat panel structure ensures consistent visuals from almost any angle, meaning you don't have to sit directly in front to enjoy the perfect picture. The minimalistic design doesn't just look great. It also allows the TV to be mounted on the wall or placed on a stand without dominating the space. Durability is where this TV truly shines. It's equipped with explosion-proof and anti-collision technology, making it highly resistant to bumps and accidents. Whether it's a lively family room, a hotel environment, or a busy common area, this TV is built to withstand real-life conditions while maintaining impeccable display quality. The reinforced materials ensure safety without compromising the clarity or vibrancy of the picture. The display itself is impressive. High-definition visuals come to life with crisp colors, sharp contrast, and vibrant brightness. Thanks to a high-efficiency decoding system, videos play smoothly, even if the files are compressed. Movies, streaming content, or gaming sessions look immersive, with every detail rendered precisely. The image quality remains consistent across the entire screen, providing an elevated experience no matter where you sit. Screen sizes range from 32 inches to 60 inches, allowing flexibility depending on your space. Smaller sizes like 32 or 42 inches work perfectly for bedrooms or smaller living areas, while the 55 and 60-inch versions create a more cinematic experience in living rooms, lounges, or hotel lobbies. Regardless of size, the ultra-thin panel maintains a stylish and modern look that complements any decor. Smart functionality brings the TV into the modern digital era. With a powerful processor and an intuitive interface, navigating apps, streaming services, or connecting to online platforms is seamless. The performance is smooth, making it easy to switch between content without lag or delays. Whether you are watching movies, following a streaming series, or using apps for entertainment, the experience feels fluid and reliable. Connectivity options are comprehensive. Multiple HDMI ports, USB support, and wireless capabilities allow you to connect gaming consoles, external drives, or audio devices effortlessly. This TV isn't just for watching. It's an entertainment hub that can handle multiple devices at once. Gaming, streaming, or sharing content becomes simple and convenient. Audio quality enhances the viewing experience. The built-in sound system delivers balanced, clear, and immersive audio. Dialogue is easy to hear, and action sequences are dynamic and engaging. While the built-in speakers are powerful, additional sound systems can be connected to create a more cinematic atmosphere if desired. Installation is simple despite the TV's large size and durable design. Anti-collision measures make the setup process safe, even in busy environments or homes with children. Whether wall-mounted or placed on a stand, the installation is straightforward, ensuring the TV is ready to use quickly. Energy efficiency is another standout feature. This TV is designed to deliver exceptional performance while optimizing power consumption. It allows for long viewing sessions without significantly increasing energy costs, making it an ideal choice for households or commercial spaces looking for sustainability alongside performance. The ultra-thin explosion-proof smart TV is ideal for anyone looking for more than just a basic television. It combines HD visuals, smart functionality, ultra-thin design, and reinforced safety features in a single package. Families, tech enthusiasts, and hotel managers alike will appreciate its versatility, reliability, and premium performance. This TV proves that durability and aesthetics can coexist without compromise. With multiple size options, high-efficiency decoding, crystal-clear display, and smart connectivity, it offers a modern viewing experience that's immersive, safe, and stylish. For those looking to upgrade their entertainment space with a television that meets the demands of modern life, This model delivers everything needed and more. Check the link in the description to view pricing, specifications, and availability. Investing in this ultra-thin, explosion-proof smart TV means choosing a reliable, safe, and advanced entertainment solution that will enhance your home or commercial space for years to come.